In this video, I'll teach you how to reroll in Uma Musume. First, you want to log into your account so you're at the home page. Then you want to click on the gift box here. You want to claim your carrots, which is the currency for pulling the banner. And you want to click on collect all. As you can see, I have already collected mine. And then you want to navigate and click on the scout button here. So this should give you 4 pulls in total. You want to make sure that you go to this banner here with the 3 girls that pop up for the lineup, and you want to click on 10 times scout. And the ideal support cards that you want to be going for is either Fine Motion or Super Creek. And then the goal is to get 2 copies of either of the support cards. If you haven't managed to pull on the copies, then you have the option to reroll. So then you want to go to the 2 title screen here. You want to click on the hamburger menu, and then you want to click on delete user data, which will delete your account, and then you can just start over. Thanks for watching.